There are dozens, if not hundreds, of companies across the United States that are selling products that are supposed to help fix your soil. Soil Secrets is one of those companies. However, what makes Soil Secrets a little bit different is that we are not only manufacturing molecular biology products that will repair your soil, making your soil a healthier place for any plant that we're trying to grow there, but we are also the owners of a research arboretum in New Mexico called the Arboretum Tomei. That's a 4-acre site with trees from all over the world planted on that site. And we have a production nursery where we are growing thousands of trees in containers. And we use the same science of Soil Secrets in the growing of those plants for the nursery, as well as for the repair of the soils at the Arboretum. You see, the Arboretum, when we purchased that land back in 1986, was a saline sodic alkaline clay.
The type of soil that'll turn white in the wintertime because all the salts will come to the surface. We didn't realize how bad the soils were on the site when we first purchased the land back in 1985. But once we started planting trees on it and the trees failed, we began to discover the problem that we had to work with. Initially, we were told by a professor of soil science at New Mexico State University that you cannot fix this kind of soil. And he recommended I put a for sale sign on the property and move away. But after experimenting with some biomimetic processes using soil ecology to help us restore the life of the soil, we were able to begin growing trees and shrubs and grass and other things on this site. If you look at this field over here, you can see where there's a fairly healthy stand of grass growing, and this is still in the process of being restored. And myself and Clarence Chavez, who was formerly our soil scientist for the NRCS of New Mexico, he and I have been measuring the biology of this site as well as the chemistry of this site, documenting the changes that are taking place over time. If you look to the east, you can see a bunch of trees, and that's now an arboretum that consists of thousands of trees from all over the world that I began planting in the late 1980s. So what was originally told to be a problem that could not be solved, you can see that we have definitely solved the problem, and now have many different species of oaks and maples and redwoods and even giant timber bamboo planted on this site. The Arboretum serves several functions. One is to be able to show our customers what these trees are going to turn into as they grow. Also, it helps us show our customers how fast are these trees going to grow. And then finally, it is a proof of concept that what we're doing with Soil Secrets actually does work. So look into Soil Secrets, give us a call. Let's talk about what your situation is and how we can help you. Thank you very much.